Can this Bible Inspirational Verses Prayer be monetized? Well, I came across this creator's video whereby he talked about how to create this Bible prayer faceless channel, and people were asking if this type of content can be monetized on YouTube. In this video, I'm going to show you if truly this type of content can be monetized or not, and if it can be monetized, what are the ways that you can go about it. Now, if you come to YouTube and simply type in Bible Inspirational Verses Prayer, when you type in that and you scroll down, you see different channels on this particular topic. We are going to go through 5 of these channels and check if they are monetized or not. For the ones that are not monetized, I will tell you what they are not doing right, and for the ones that are monetized, I will tell you what make them get monetized, so that if you want to go into this type of content, you will know how to get started. I've already made up the list of some of these channels, so now I'm going to go to each of these channels so that we'll take a look at their content and check if they are monetized or not. Now let's go to the first channel. This channel is called Lion of Judah Prayers. So if you go to this channel, you check the kind of content they are creating. This channel, let's just go to their videos and let's check the type of content that these people are creating. If you come down here, you can see the type of content they are creating. A prayer to cancel the evil plan of the devil. You can see the type of content that these people are creating. Now let's check if this channel is monetized or not. I'm going to copy their URL link, so I'll just copy this URL link like this. Then I'll go to this channel monetization checker. Then I'll paste this link here. Then I'll click on check monetization. Now we are going to see if the channel is monetized or not. And you can see they said this channel is monetized. Let's check the estimate amount of money that this particular channel is making per month. So I'll come to this other website and I'll just paste the link of this website here. So if you come down, you can see that this is the amount of this is the amount that this channel is actually getting. You can see the estimated monthly earnings is $55 to $888. Estimated yearly earnings is $666 to $10.7k. That is the amount that particular channel is making. Now let's go to the second channel and let's see if it is monetized or not. Let's copy this URL. Let's just go to this channel, and this channel is called Grace for Purpose Prayer. Let's go to their videos and let's see the type of content that they are creating. And if you come down here, you will see this particular content is ask God for lead morning prayer, God watch over me. So this is the kind of content that these people are creating. Let's check if the channel is monetized or not. And you can see also that this channel is monetized. Don't forget, I will tell you why these channels are monetized and why some of them are not monetized. Let's check how much this particular channel is making in a month. If you check here, you can see this particular channel is making $1.9k to $31.1k. This particular channel earns more than that other channel, and in a year they are making $23k to $23,000 to $373,000. You can see how huge that money is. Now let's go to the third channel and let's check if this other channel is monetized or not. Now this is the channel. Let's go to their videos and let's see the kind of content that they too are creating. They are also creating prayer Bible verses, promise of God Bible verses. So basically what they are creating is prayer Bible verses. Let's check if their channel is monetized or not. I'll paste the URL link here, and you can see they said this channel is not monetized. I'm going to tell you why some of these channels are not monetized. So now let's go to the last channel and let's check if the channel is monetized or not. Let's just copy this other link, and then we'll go to the monetization checker and check if this particular channel is monetized. And you can see this channel is not monetized. So 2 out of the 5 channels that we have checked are not monetized. Now let's go to each of these channels and let me explain why some of their channels are not monetized. So this particular channel is called Bible Keeps. If you come to this channel, let's just play one of their video and let's see how they create their video. I'll remove sound from this video to avoid copyright on my channel. So let's play their video.
Him that if we ask anything according to his will, 1 John 5:14. The end of all things is that.
Now let's go to the YouTube monetization policy so that you know why most of those channels are not monetized. If you check the YouTube monetization policy, they said this repetitious content refers to channel where the content is so similar that viewers may have trouble spotting the difference between videos. This include content that looks like it's made with a template with little to no variation across videos, or content that's easily replicable at scale. This policy applies to your channel as a whole. Then what is allowed to monetize? They say policy make sure monetization offers viewers something appealing, interesting to watch. In other words, if the average viewer can clearly tell that content on your channel differs from video to video, it's fine to monetize. We know many channels create content that follows a similar pattern. What's important is that the substance of each video should be relatively varied. That means each of your videos should be different, not that you are using the same image or you are using the same background video on all your videos. Now let's come down here. They say examples of what is allowed to monetize, including but not limited to. They say same intro and outro for your videos. That's if you use the same intro and outro for your videos, you can monetize, but the bulk of your content is different. That is the in between of your content is different. They say similar content where each video talks specifically about the qualities of the subject you are featuring. They say short clips of similar objects edited together where you explain how they are connected. You can see that. Then content that violates this guideline. They say when a channel's content consists of similar content, it can frustrate viewers who became this. The example of what was not allowed to monetize. So let's take a look at this. They say content that is exclusively feature readings of other materials you did not originally create, like text from website or news feed, songs modified to change the pitch or speed but are otherwise identical to the original song, similar repetitive content, or mindless content with low educational value, commentary, or narrative. So you come down here, they say reuse content. Now when you're creating this type of videos, you will want to pay attention to the movement in your video. So if I play this particular video, let's play this particular video so that you take a look at this. This particular channel is monetized. That is why I'm using this as an example. You can see there are ads showing on this video, and this video they have gotten 1.9 million subscribers. So I'm just going to skip this ad so that you can see the video. You can see there is a movement in the video. You can see video moving in the background while they are talking over this video. If I should enable sound on this video, you will hear that there's voiceover is more human. It's not robotic, and it is more human. Okay, so you can see the scene is changing in the video, and that I think that adds up to why their channel is monetized. Another thing you should bear in mind is that most of these channels were created 3 years ago, 4 years ago. By then, this YouTube they haven't been so strict to not monetizing this type of content. So if you have the time and you want to go into this, then you can check some other channels that are already monetized. They modify, replicate what they are doing, modify on what they are doing, see the pattern they are following, then follow that same pattern. By now you should know whether this type of content is monetized on YouTube or not. Thank you guys for watching, and if you like me to do more video on this, on how to go about this, let me know in the comment section of this video. Drop your comment there and let's interact. I'll see you in my next video.